Oh, high look. Good defense by Lizard. Ram calling for the ball, tapi ada safety yang ready lekat dengan dia. Afiq, Rosie. For a while I thought Rosie is going to drive in. The path kind of look open. Oh, that's a good three, but tak masuk. Hit the bank. Lizard, no good. A bit fast, cheap on the ball. And Blizzard is quick on the defense. Afiq. Trying to get all of them up the opponent's squad. 5 shot clock. Ram for 3. Oh. Blizzard's on the attack. Oh, sayang. Oh, that's a good defense by Blizzard again. But Blizzard laju turun ke bawah. Alamak. Fumble by Ram. Blizzard trying to control tempo. Sayang. Oh, Ram pula. Fred got the rebound. But Blizzard already sets up their defense. Oh, nice one by Chip. He gets the call. Substitution by Blizzard. And here's Jad Moran subbing Ram. Who's that? Abay Pool. Yeah, Abay Pool coming in for Afiq. First charity shot is not good. And Chip, sayang. Both charity shots is not good. Blizzard on the offense. Oh, there's a good pressure by Fred under defense. Fred on the ball. Screen. Etul on the ball. Jad Moran terlepas bola. I think Abang Fred sebenarnya nak forward pick and roll, but Blizzard say just quite fast actually. Oh, nicely. And here comes Abepul. Rosie. Fred, call it. Nice chip. Oh, there's a good block by Blizzard. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution for Lizards. Eman coming in for... tak nampak. Oh, coming in for chip. Cool, got the ball. Lehman open for 3 and it's good. Beautiful shot by Lehman. There's a good up. 30 seconds to end the quarter. And the score is tied at 8 apiece. Blizzard. Oh. Hard pass. There's a good defense. Cut tak jadi. But Blizzard's got the ball. No good. Was adjustment by Fred to sit in the center. Blizzard susah nak masuk. Lehman to Rosie. Lehman again. There's a long three, but time is off. Time is called. And the first quarter, 8 apiece to both Blizzards in grey Justin Lizazoji in red. And here we go to start the second quarter. The score is tied 8 apiece. Blizzards versus OG in red. Inbound for Justin Lizazoji. Lemon on... Oh Allah. Lemon on inbound duty. Ball to... There's a foul call on Fred and he's not happy with it. Baru dapat bola dah kena push macam tu. That's how they're afraid of Fred. Arup. Oh, there's a foul call on Arup. Two free throw for Arup. Up on the charity line. Oh, good one Arup. First charity shot is good. And second charity shot a bit missed, but Arup got the ball. Apple. Good offensive rebound by Arup. Apple. Swing it. Good one. Lehman a bit fast. Be wary on the shot clock rasanya. Oh, there's a good block by Fred. Inbound for Blizzard. Oh, no good. Defense Blizzard Zoji will to improve once Fred moves to the middle. Careful. Jab around on the ball. Nice. Arup. Back to Fred. Fred. Oh, good kick out to Apple. There's a long two. Oh, Lehman. Good rebound. Lehman, a long two. No good. Blizzard is there. Long throw. Yep. Everybody is wary of Fred in the middle. Open on the right. Someone's gonna fill up. And Fred gets himself yet another rebound. Arup. Oh, a bit high. But that's a good idea. Fred managed to delay the break. Oh. Tough shot for Blizzard. Allah. Ada reject di belakang rupanya. And here comes Lehman. Makan. Miss pass daripada Fred. Rare error daripada Fred. The score now is 10 to Blizzards, 9 to Blizzards OG red. Fred calling out the adjustment. And here comes Blizzard. Oh, that's a long thing, not really long, but quite open daripada Blizzard. Lehman trying to push the tempo, but Blizzard is already down for B. Right. Jack Moran, nice one. Sayang. It's not Jet actually. It's actually Ram yang dari belakang. Oh, Fred. Oh. There's a good steal by Fred. But started off by Ram pulling the defenders out, open to Apple for the open shot. In this sequence of events, Fred steal the ball and get a call. First charity shot for Fred is not good. Second charity shot is good. And they closing up the gap. Oh, naik in the post. Swing out, no good. Then comes Chip. Good offense and defense. Blizzards really laju turun ke bawah. Jamoran, bukan, Lehman. Chip try to steal. Foul call. Ram. Two free throw for Blizzards. Trickle in. Hey, macam ada orang masuk early lepin for the rebound. Oh, hampir-hampir dapat oleh Ram. But the safety really clean up for him. Oh, put up tak jadi. Seriously, Fred presence under the board. Chip and loaded on the right of offense. Sayang. And sayang. Blocking foul is called on Fred. He's trying to trap the player to charging foul, tapi bahu tergerak sikit je. Ram ready to break. Okay, first check the shot is no good. Tough shot. 17-10. Blizzards Stingray leading Blizzards OG in late. Then swing it out back to Fred. Lehman. Chip. That's a good swing. Oh, that's foul call. She's doing really good in drawing those fouls. But off the ball movement of the Ram tadi, keep pulling the players out of position. That's a good one. First charity shot is good for Chip. And here comes a fix to begin for Lehman. Both charity shots is good for Chip. 17-12 now the score. Is this counts again? Oh, Moldy, Rosie, Ram. Again, Toa. Oh, Chip. That's a good rebound. Nice, Ram. Back to Chip. Ram. 5 seconds. No good. And Blizzards come. Ram hampir-hampir curi bola. Oh, a good hook shot over Fred. Jarang nampak orang buat hook shot so far in the game that we've seen. Fred kick it out to Ram. Stay. Ram, Afiq, open. Sayang, terlepas. And here goes Blizzard on the break. Kick out. No. Resetting Rosie. Good D. And turnover. 4 minutes left on the second quarter and the score is 15-12. 3 points gap to be closed by Elisa Zoji. Whoa. False foul. This new nama tinggal tak kalah sizing yang Fred actually. First every shot for Blizzard is good. But second charity shot is not. And Afiq. Dia baik to chip. Afiq for 3. Baliban tak dapat. Oh, Euro step, but Chip is there to cover. There's good hands by Chip. Blizzards changing nearly half their rosters. We have 5 on the clock, on the floor. Oh, but there's a good hand by Chip. Oh, tapi ada orang lari kejar balik. Nice fall. Reaching for column Blizzard. Good hands by Chip. Allahu Akbar. Fred, no look pass to Afiq. Good swing, it's open. Apple, open shot. Afiq got the ball. Another one. Chip drawing the fall again. And it looks like Blizzards in grey is in foul trouble. They're in the red. Basically the red code is up for Blizzards. First challenge shot is good. Fred. Oh, another offensive rebound. Another draw for by Apple. By Chip. Apple. Apple. Dah naik lah, dah naik. Oh, but the point difference is 7 still. Chip on the charity line again. First charity line is good. Oh, boleh. Chip, the second one is also good. Cutting the deficit to 5. Oh, first shot pass. Nice one by Fred. Rosie got the ball. Blizzard susah nak dapat fast break because Blizzard actually quite fast turun bawah for D. Chip, Good kick out to pull. Oh, kick goes out. This is a good pace for both teams actually. Open on the wing. Nice triangle, but got crowded out. Chip. Oh, 4 people pounding him. Oh, again, Rosie. And pull on the ball. Define a push. Again, Razors is quick on the D. Chip. Rosie ready for the screen. Double screen by Afiq as well. Afiq, there's a good rebound, man. Good kick out to back to Fred. There's still 9 seconds on the shot clock. Air pull. Kick out. 2 seconds. Shot clock. Again, full roster. All 5 get changed on the floor. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Here comes Blizzards. Oh, another 3 from the middle. No good. Pull back also no good. Kena keluar. Rosie. Kena kaki. Trying to pass it a bit too low there. But Fred is ready. 7 shot clock on the clock. Oh, press. Foul is called on Abepul for holding. Shot, no good. Rosie got it. Fred. Afiq. And here's Rosie. Ijat Moran. Back to Apple. 30 seconds on the clock. Ijat got the ball. Afiq open. "20 seconds on the clock for the quarter to end." Oh, again. There's a good D by Fred. He's really pushing, protecting the pin. And now calling for offensive player to push it up, high up. 15 seconds on the clock to end the second quarter. Afiq terus shoot, but there's Fred. Sayang, be too high. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Terus fall, but no good.